In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Axiom to Phantom. So the first thing you'll need is an Axiom account, and in case you don't have one yet, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and if you sign up using my link, you will get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever on Axiom, so make sure you check that out. Now, from here, what you want to, of course, do is, of course, have a Phantom wallet as well, which is this one over here. Have the extension. You can also have the app. It works just as well. And then from here, what you have to do to connect Axiom to Phantom is very easy. You want to go to the very top right, click on your profile icon, click on Account and Security. Then under Recovery Key, you want to click on View Recovery Key. And then you want to make a security check, so just press Continue with Google, select your Google account you're signed in with, and after you do this, you will simply be able to see your private key or recovery seed phrase. So usually it shows the recovery seed phrase if you're logged in with Google, and you will have to click and then reveal it. Of course, I'm not gonna show this right now over here for privacy reasons. And then once you click to reveal it, you will see your 20-word seed phrase. You want to copy that, and after you've copied it, the next step is to go to Phantom over here, click on your account name, so A1 over here, and then at the very bottom you can see the plus icon. So it says add/connect wallet, that's what you want to click, and then click import recovery phrase. You'll get directed to this site over here where you want to paste in your 12-word recovery phrase, which you obtained over here from, as I showed you, from the View Recovery Key page, and then you want to click Import Wallet, and just like this, your wallet will be successfully basically connected with Axiom and Phantom. So it will import the wallet from Axiom into Phantom. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.